What's up, guys? It's Blake here. So I know it's been a while since we posted, but a lot's changed. So we'll kind of, if y'all want to get into that, let me know. But we bought a house, a little fixer-upper. We're gonna try to work on and make y'all a couple of videos on our DIY project. Okay, guys, like I said, it's a fixer-upper. I'm kind of gonna show y'all around if there's some things that you see that maybe you would do, or some ideas that y'all might have. Hey, put them down there in the comments. We are definitely open to ideas. It's our second home that we'll remodel. The first home that we ever remodeled, me and Casey bought, and I completely remodeled the whole thing without her ever seeing it. And unfortunately, only got to live there about 4 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, before my job called me and I had to move 3 hours away. My sister still lives in the home, but we bought another one. We hope to get to fix up and live here a few years and see how it goes. So if you have any ideas, just put them down there in the comments. Like and subscribe, please. Okay, so you walk in the front door, guys. Don't pay no mind to the stuff. I'm kind of getting stuff ready. And you have a fireplace here. There's a bonus room here. One thing I don't like is it doesn't have a light switch over here. You have to go all the way over here. As you can tell, it used to be a converted, I think it was a converted garage. Nice little rustic look though. Probably gonna make it into like the kids' little playroom or something. You come out, and you're in the kitchen. It's a kind of open concept, not a real big house. Here's the laundry room. Needs some work, you know, scuffs on the floor, on the walls and stuff. Got a couple ideas for it. If y'all have any ideas, kind of put them down there in the comments for us. And then our kitchen. Hallway, one of the kids' room. They painted concrete, so I'm kind of thinking about maybe sanding that up, staining it or something, or maybe you could put some hardwood floor laminate or something down. Kind of put down there in the comments what you would do. The kids' bathroom, kind of small. I do like this little light switch thing. It's different. I haven't seen one in quite a while. Another kid's room. Got carpet. Might leave it. Might pull it up. Depends what we do with the other one. Stain concrete or put flooring down. Here's the master bedroom and small bathroom. Like I said, it's not a real big house. But we don't need a real big house right now, or maybe ever. We try to kind of live in our means. Feel like we kind of good deal on the house, so we're gonna try to remodel it and make it our own. Got a little land with it, so plan on trying to do maybe some small homesteading videos and stuff. If that's something that y'all would be interested in, please let us know. Like and subscribe. Maybe get some couple of farm animals, plant some gardens, kind of let us know what y'all would like to see, and we're gonna try to get more serious with this YouTubing. So we'll see y'all in the next video.